Slab 2, another one of Caesar Ceramics gems, the most mesmerizing collection in stone look. We have a total of 7 colors in this family. Starting off with the ice, going into the warmer shades, then cold, and then we have the darkest color. As we start, we just look at ice first. It's a lovely undertone of a two-tone effect tile, which is basically replicating the original stone. So we see the white surface. It's a beautiful collection where you actually can be experiencing real stone. Continuing with the warmer shade after the cold one will be the khaki. The khaki, you can see the khaki effect on the surface. It's a sandstone feel tile. Then continued would be the ash, which is more of the dust feel, a hazel color, which is giving you a beautiful, excellent neutral shade to it. Neither warm nor cold. And then we come into a color which is called cloud, which is the light grey. It's the replica of the original cloud in the sky. And then continued is a special color called jade, which is the actual stone in Italy, which is green in shade, which is the jade. It's got a lovely undertone and a beautiful pictorial view to it. Then we continue with the darker grey, which is called iron. And then finally culminating on the largest tile on this architectural binder, which is called dark. You can clearly see how beautifully it's visible. So all in all together, these 7 colors has got 4 colors, which is khaki, ash, cloud and iron, which can go into the R11 cadre, which is meant for R11C, approach road, garden area, terrace, veranda and swimming pool decks. We want to introduce one of these colors very closely so you can understand the nuances. It's called khaki. This is Slab 2 khaki, 120 by 120 in size. Look at this beautiful piece of master art. As you come closer, you can see what I meant by the undertone. You can see the two-tone effect on the surface of the tile and also the two-tone effect in terms of the slate effect, which keeps changing. Now the variation in this format and in any format in this particular collection is 1 to 1000. So you're looking at this tile, and after 999 variations, you will have the same tile repeated. When you touch an R10B, it's as smooth to be used into your commercial spaces, into your residential floors, into your spaces where is the most important part of your elevation walls, dressing up the building. Anywhere you can take off for an R10B, and of course complements to an R11C, which is meant for outdoors. Till the time you don't walk over it, you don't find the difference in abrasion. It's only when you walk upon it is when the things change. Slab 2 khaki, representing the Slab 2 collection. It's a masterpiece which you need to have for yourself in your project.